designers? Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Nolthando Mbama. Please make sure that you do subscribe and join the family, and also hit your notification bell to always get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for your continuous support. I really appreciate you guys. So today is a Monday. It's the 1st of November, and November is my birthday month, so I'm so excited. Even Kingy is laughing with me because I'm really excited. I'm gonna make the most of my birthday month, which is November. All the Scorpios, hey, how are you? So today we are heading out to the hardware store to buy some paint. Finally, after how long, guys? It's almost been a month since being in this new place, and the walls behind me, as you can see, they are still green, but don't be despair. Soon enough, they're gonna be a beautiful color. So we're going to buy some paint and some tools to paint, because we are going to be doing the painting. Yes, definitely we are going to be doing that. So welcome to my channel, welcome to this new vlog. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy this November. I wish you guys all the best. And I also wanted to welcome all the new subbies. Welcome to my channel, you guys. We have reached 4,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. It's a beautiful milestone to reach, and it's all because of you guys. Thank you so much for always liking my videos, commenting, you know. Baby, what's the talo? What's the talo? Okay. Me and Kingy wanted to say thank you for 4K subscribers. Say thank you. So I really appreciate it, guys. I'm so excited to grow on YouTube, and please do watch the ads as well so that we make some money. And yeah, guys, I just wanted to thank you, and I just wanted to say I appreciate every single thing, and let's grow the numbers. Let's become a big family. And yeah, guys, I will see you on the next one. Bye. Bye, Kingy. Say bye. Say bye. Say sharp. Whoa. Me and Kingy are signing off to go to the hardware store. We'll see you later. Kingy, say hi. Looking so fly in a side bag. Okay, let's. Thank you. Thank you. Pick it up. Okay. Hi. Okay, some guys. uthanda imoto wena inkinga yakho. Cabanga ukuthi yonke into imoto akusimoto le. Akusijim le. Ijim. 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 Hmm? 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 Hey. Uzugoqa nezandla file front seat. Masking tape. And then Itenas is right behind you. Let me catch a ride, yeah? With the pingies.
No, catching a ride late.
What are you? How?
I'm still right. Mama, still right. First, yeah. I'll take this. Okay, it's up. Great.
Kulu. Kulu. Eh? Thank you. So guys, we got everything for the painting job. Now the only thing that's left is to go buy amawutwana. Yeah? Chicken feet, guys. Those are my favorite snack. Chicken fried. Is it fried or fried? Fried. Fried chicken feet. So I'm excited because I haven't had them in such a long time, and I didn't know where I could buy them until I saw that they actually sell them just around the corner. So we're gonna buy chicken feet.
Drive through.
Yes, drive through chicken feet. I want to king uzo saba yini. Abanje uzozizwa. Maqeda ukhiphe i-manicure, maqeda ukhiphe amazi. Nakhishwa kanjalo.
Hayi bafethu masithi
ungiqedelani? Hayi So here we are, guys. There's my baby. So we've gotten back from the hardware store, and this is the equipment for the painting. This is the 20-liter white paint, and we got the stuff at Cashfield, and we got some roller brushes, And this thing is not focusing. We also got some thinners and a whole lot of other equipment and brushes that we need to paint. And also, because it's your girl's birthday month, we're starting off the month with a beautiful bunch of flowers. So excited for these flowers. They look absolutely amazing. My husband got them for me and I really love them. So I'm just gonna open them and put them in water. They came with these what's this, Flora Light. It's called Flora Light. It's the plant food or the flower food. So I'm just gonna take them out and put them in a vase. Done putting this bouquet of flowers together. I think it looks so beautiful, you guys. It looks absolutely beautiful. I'm so impressed. Like, wow, I love it. I love it. Let me give you guys a 360. I think there's a lot more eucalyptus though, but I still love it. I still love it. The green, the other one, yeah. So I'll keep switching it up and see, because now I'm running out of time. So I just wanted to put them in water and make sure that they can breathe properly. But yeah, we're watching Monsters University over there. And my flowers for the birthday month, girl, you know. Love them, love them, love them. That's it for the video. If you have enjoyed it, please remember to subscribe, like the video, and always leave a comment and share with your friends. I will see you guys on the next video. I will see you guys on the next video. Have a beautiful day, beautiful night. Love you.